Man, I'm sick and tired of this place. I'm tired of all these people. If they don't like me, then I don't want to be here. I'm out of here. Taking all of my stuff with me. I left them a note explaining my departure.
And now my new life is in the wilderness.
Well, won't be needing this anymore. Bye-bye, car keys. You know, I'm pretty good at this wildlife stuff. This is gonna be great. I've been out here for about 2 weeks now, and I've realized one thing. Being in the wildlife is hard. I didn't bring enough water to last me very long, so, I had to go through, the natural way. Ugh. Have you ever tried to hunt for your own food? It's not very easy, I'll tell you that much. Not even close. People are greedy. They take everything for granted. If you lived out here, you wouldn't stand a chance. But I do.
Now this isn't easy, but I got past all of it. The only concern I have now is that I'm alone.
Would you stop talking to yourself? God!
Who put you on the planet? Ugh!
Actually, my crewmates did, so thanks for asking.
Her crewmates. Red?
Yeah, I was having a good old time in space, but after a while, my crewmates voted me off.
Why?
Because I was sus, whatever the hell that means.
I too know what it's like to get rejected.
I got ejected, not rejected, but I still know your pain. I too have been alone for a while.
To hell with those people. Let's be alone together.
I mean, I guess it's not like I have anything better to do.
And from that point, Red and I became best friends.
F is for forget all those people. U is for underdog. N is for nobody gives a flying fuck at all.
F is for fake guys that say they're your crewmates. U is for us, because that's among us. N is for no goodness.
Oh, whoa.
What?
Do not finish that lyric.
Whatever, let's just do our thing.
Alright. Come on, Red. Come with me. Boss.
Oh, bother.
Living the wild life.
Oh look, a moon rock. Well, it's been fun, Jaden.
What do you mean? Why does it sound like we're parting ways?
Well, we kind of are. I'll still be here, but you won't.
You're gonna kill me? But we sang the fun song.
I would never kill my friends. But he will. Batter up!
And after that, my streak of being a wildlife person was over. But I lied. I didn't even last a week. I didn't even last 11 minutes.